It's birdhouse time.
So first you make a line where you want
back
it to
away.
First you want to make a line where it goes. Then you want to have a power saw. This is the Craftsman power saw. And we're going to use it.
I gotta move this.
And we have other board to help us. But as you see, our line is right here. And you can't see it in the video, but our line is right there. And she's going to start cutting. And it might be a little loud for viewers, so you might want to turn your volume down.
Ready.
All right, everyone. That was so loud. So this is going to be me. So basically it'll be cut like that. So that's our first square. You're going to want... I'm going to go to the flag with your handprint. So you're going to want to cut out a couple squares, triangle, a couple wall, top, head square, roof squares, and yeah.
Maddox, do you want to come to the little flag with your handprint on it?
No. What does that mean? Oh, that was Stella. I forgot.
Yep, that was Stella.
Sorry for that, sister.
Okay, so we got 2 of these.
All right, 2 of these. Let me show the camera this stuff.
And
No,
then,
me.
So,
You're speaking.
so you're gonna want 4 walls, two walls, but with a triangle tip, and 3 rectangles, so you can make your birdhouse. Designs will be shown on the screen right now of what these should look like. Right, Nana? Can you do what we do? There's your pencil. Hello there.
you know, I'll just draw it right from here.
Did you have to call someone?
For why?
I don't know. I was just saying someone from church I wanted to call you.
Oh, I forgot about that. You don't have to wait. We're busy.
I know, I was just reminded.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go!
That was even louder.
Alright, nice. That's the... Do you think I could get the triangle piece?
We're gonna get it.
Oh, okay. Just let's hope it doesn't mess up.
You saw my thumb.
Come on, let's not be.
This is actually kind of...
Okay, now that will be that. I need to do 3 at this length. This one.
It almost took up a whole fence.
Yeah, I know.
Will it take up the whole fence?
Not all of it, but pretty close to it.
Are you going to save the extra wood or are you going to throw it away?
I've got the wood from yours over there.
Oh, I see it. We could make something out of that. Okay, 2. Like you can buy those we can buy some of those bird feeder containers and we can like nail them into the planks and we can like put them in the ground.
Do you have it all figured out already?
Yeah, and then like or like lean them against a tree and then like a bird can come in and eat it. Or like we can use it to feed the birds. Maybe. I don't know.
Yep, here we go.
All right, 3,
Ready?
2, 1. All right, there we go. Last square.
Okay, one more to do.
One more to do. Ooh, it's dusty in here.
Yeah, it is. Sawdust flying everywhere.
One more to do.
And then we have to cut out our triangle thing.
Then we have to cut out our triangle thing.
Which is
And I
only
have
2.
a little, what do you call that when somebody repeats? I I have Pete and Repeat working with me.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1!
Okay, this is a leftover. You can put it with that one over there.
We're gonna make bird feeders. So, come on.
Okay, now.
We're gonna make bird feeders out of those. Coming up soon to us, to a YouTube channel near you.
Okay, now to make my angles, I have to untighten this. It's a 45-degree angle. And I turn this to 45 degrees. See right here?
Hi.
You'll see. It'll make my thing here.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. I feel like you push it up more or something.
No,
All right, 3.
that's too far. I got to come back this way. See how the blade goes on there? I'm going to come back just a tad bit.
Do you move it?
Just a little bit. See where the blade's right on that line?
Yeah, all right.
Just a hair more.
Can't decide.
No, because it eats away some of that. Okay, are you ready?
3, 2, 1! And I'm guessing you have to move it to another 45
I
degree
do, but on this one, I'll go ahead and cut this since we already have it at 45 degrees.
I'm going to keep this.
For what?
What?
I don't know.
I'm gonna keep the other half.
Huh.
You keep 2 of those, and I keep 2 of them.
Nope. Gotta go
No.
this way. Just a hair more this way.
Just to hear more, because guys, one here isn't too big. All right,
Okay.
3, 2, 1! Ooh! I get this one.
Now, I gotta go 45 degrees the other way.
Viewers, dust warning. It's going to be sort of facing your way, so there's going to be dust warning, viewers. Because there might be dust flying your way.
Now, is this cool or what?
Oh, that's cool. All right. Yeah, move it back more. Move it to the line more.
To you.
What did you say?
I don't know who that is.
No, what did you say?
I gotta move it back toward you a little more.
Hold on. No.
A little more toward you.
All right.
A hair.
Try it. That's good.
I think so. Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1. I will take this.
Okay, now.
Look at this.
And I get that one.
That's a glitter pencil.
It used to be.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna place this over here. Oh, look, I found a hammer.
Yep. Okay.
All right, that's good.
That's
3,
good.
2, 1. Go! Are we gonna nail these together?
Yes, we are.
Well, good thing I found a hammer. Bum, bum,
Now,
bum,
on
bum.
this, I've got to cut.
Ooh, my teeth.
Oh, it's warm outside.
Yes.
Like, step out here, it's so just peaceful. Oh, wait, we have to.
Now I'm going to use this one.
Oh, wait, you need to. Did you just do my triangles or hers?
This is all yours already done.
Yeah, my triangle. All right, looks like everything's done.
Nope. I got to make another cut.
Oh,
I gotta
because
use
that's
this
too. Because that's too long, or is that too long? Like.
That's the roof, so I got to cut it off. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Tell us about. We're gonna disturb the viewers.
Yeah, we don't want to disturb the viewers, do we?
Yeah, we only get like 10 a month. 10 a month, right? You get like 10 a month, right?
talking about, Mark?
But I'm not Papa. But like, I think you get 10 viewers a month when you check your status.
Maddox.
I'm not estimating. Cool. All right, 3, ready to cut?
No, it's not ready to cut. I need
Maddox, your
to.
triangle is on the floor.
No. Oh, you have to plug it in?
Yep.
All right, now.
Okay, now let me check on this. This looks good. Okay, back away.
Oh, wait, is that dust?
Just because I don't want anything to fly out, that's why. Something might fly this way. Got it.
Efficient. Where's the other piece down there?
It came out here.
Oh, wait, it flies out?
Yeah, I told you.
Look at this! Oh, wait, it's a rocket?
It's a stick.
All right, so
It's
that's
a
all you
rocket.
had to cut
It's
out?
a stick.
So that's all.
And it is, we have to sand it down.
All right. Oh, I do have a lot of craftsman stuff. That's 2 drills. Are we going to use the drills?
Yes.
Ooh, I kind of wanted to use a hammer.
We're going to use that too. Okay.
I like this hammer. It's small, and it's for me. Oops, my desk. Construction work.
These are so like smooth and flat.
Yeah, that's it's called sanding. I asked it. All right, 2 drills, and I'm guessing the drills are loud.
It's okay.
Let's go. All right.
Okay.
I have a question. We go back to Mom's tomorrow, right?
What's tomorrow? What's today?
Today is Thursday.
Yeah.
So we go back to our Saturday.
Yes.
Okay, so like
You hold it. Okay. There
Right.
you go, Maddox.
wait.
Okay, here. It's going sideways, buddy. Okay, now we got another side to
We're
do.
making some noise in the neighborhood.
Yeah, we are making some noise in the neighborhood.
Making some noise in the neighborhood. Making some noise in the neighborhood.
Whoops. I'll get it partway started here.
What is this for? The floor?
Yipper. I'm gonna have like a little porch.
They do need that stick though. We need to make sure that we can't forget the most important part of our birdhouse, the stick.
The stick?
Yeah. Most important part, the stick. That's what you're about to hit me with it. Uh-oh.
That's fine. We'll get it.
Just hammered it the wrong way. Here, look at that.
Finish it.
There we go.
Okay.
I was gonna make it look all wet. Alright, that's in there.
Now,
How's that gonna stand up?
this, see, this is a bottom, but watch. See how he's got a little thing to stand on?
Yes, that's perfect.
See? So, you think he still needs a perch?
Oh no, never more.
Yeah, okay.
We should make him a little birdie fence.
Let me get some more nails.
We need.
A birdie fence? Well, then he wouldn't be able to get in there. He might have a hard time getting in.
Yeah, that's.
Or she. It could be a she-bird.
I kind of want to like make house designs, like draw a fake little door on there, but like we're painting. I could do it after painting. Just kind of like make it look like a normal human house, but a bird house, and yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Oh yeah, it's fine. I have an idea. I can create the optical illusion. So like I can draw a circle inside the house and make it look like one of those four square things. Is actually no.
The bird's gonna like.
I really want to design like do some painting inside the house.
Inside that? No, you don't, because I don't want it to be toxic for the bird, because that's where they'll be. Make a nest.
Right there. How are we gonna?
I know, this will be the
Nicely
fun part.
done.
This will not be the fun part. This will be
Nicely
a hard part.
done.
Well, let me get it started, and then it's up to you, okay?
Here's your hammer.
I got the hammer, sweetie.
Sweet mother of monkeys.
Okay.
All right, now it's gonna be a little easier
Well, I don't know about that, but
because like it's hammered in. So right.
okay.
Wait.
Here, let me do it that way. Is that better? No, hold the hammer right.
Down to here. All right, that's in there. All right, there we go.
Good.
All right, it's in there. Just need to make sure it got in.
And then that's the last thing we put on, right here.
Yeah, just have to hammer it in.
Ow.
I like it.
Is it cool or what?
That's cool.
But I still feel
And that was out of a picket. A long piece of wood.
this is a long piece.
Okay,
of
come
wood.
on. Let me get this started for you.
It's kind of hard to believe that fence would make this.
Yeah.
And while Stella's what is she doing? While Stella's hammering, I'm painting.
No.
Aw.
You're filming.
Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. La, la, la. I feel like 2 nails is appropriate for the top.
I believe it would be. I'll go ahead and get that one in.
Oh, wait. Actually, 4 nails to get both sides. Like, front and back. You know?
Mm-hmm. Is it loud, Maddox?
Yes.
Really loud.
You have to do it like this.
Okay. I'm going to give you a few to... Now this one is going to be... Get it right here should do it.
It's in.
Okay, so then I know...
It actually looks like a modern day house.
It does.
Like, actually does. Look at this. It's so modern.
It's so modern. It's so the 21st century. Whoops.
Vote Trump, not Biden. Just had to put that out there. Vote Trump! Vote Trump!
Stop. The channel's gonna get demonetized.
I don't get money, honey, so. Okay,
Well,
you
still.
finish the hammering.
She doesn't have to worry about getting demonetized because she doesn't even make any money.
Nope. I make them for fun.
Yep.
All right.
But if she gets 1,000 subscribers,
Come on, muscle man.
If she gets 1,000 subscribers, which you should subscribe and like the video.
Ah.
But guys, subscribe to the channel and like the
We broke that
video.
one off, so we'll have to put another one in. Here.
But guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for 69 years of good luck.
Okay. 69 years of good luck. Where do you come up with this mess?
I don't know. No. But also, once she gets 1,000 subscribers, she can start making money.
There you go.
Once you get 1,000 subscribers, you start making money, Nana.
I don't want to make money.
Well, I mean, you can still do them for fun.
Okay.
Like you can.
So that is
Like, cause like you can.
the birdhouse.
Let me hold it. Oh yes, this is nice.
Is that cool?
Yeah, cause like.
Okay, stop.
Next up.
Here you go, Stella. Here you go. I'll flip it around for you.
Put it on the roof, on the floor, which is also a porch. Or a
Half a porch.
huh?
Actually, half a porch.
Half a porch. I don't know.
See?
I don't know these porchy terms. Look at this beauty right here. We're gonna take a tour of that.
The inside is pitch black, like always.
You gonna put electricity in it?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna give the bird air conditioning. I'm gonna give the bird a gaming headset.
I'm gonna give the bird an oven
Sure.
so I can cook.
So it can prepare its dinners.
You know what? Maybe I should give away. No. Yeah. Perfect.
Hey Nana, do you think you can turn that birdhouse around for me?
When I'm done here with this.
Okay. Let's see what's in here. Nothing. All right, just wanted to check.
I'm gonna give it electricity and air conditioning and
Look at this beautifully smooth house. Thanks to Nana and Stella and me. Obviously the handsomest one of the group.
Whatever.
and we're the cutest.
No, I'm the better part of the group. I think my birdhouse is better.
Okay.
Well,
Finish it up, Stella.
First of all, I have no wrong hearing.
Got an L right there.
Surprised.
Last one.
And up.
I did it without.
Look at that.
I know I did it without having the nails turned sideways.
Yes, you did not bend any nails like Maddox did on his. It is what we call girl power.
All right.
Good, Stella. Don't do the back or the bottom. Okay. Oh, I see. Leave. Yes, it does, Stella.